What's up, guys? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing a product here. We got a beard care kit, 100% pure and natural, which I absolutely love. Now, you guys might notice that I'm starting to grow my beard out and my hair. So let's get unboxing and let's show you guys what all comes in the package. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this at if you're interested. So right away, I love the packaging. I love the box. It's so elegant. It's nice and sleek. And look at that. It's really cool. I love that. Normally, brands that have nice packaging, the products normally represent as well. So I'm pretty excited to see. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at this. They even have their oils and different beard care products in their own individual boxes. So many companies just throw everything together in one box. Everything's loose, flying around. So we got beard oil, beard conditioner, and beard wash. So cleanse and refresh, nourishing and moisturizing, soften and smooth. Here we have beard balm, 100% pure and natural. We have a nice, looks like a wooden grain grooming brush. We also have two different file size comb. So as you guys can see up close, you got a little grooming scissors, which is actually big enough that my big fingers can actually fit in here. So that's really nice. In here, you got a beard roller. So that's really nice as well. And they even supply a case for it, so you don't gotta have it setting down. A storage bag, that's definitely a plus, so you don't have to just throw it. So they supply the tool for trimming. That way you can trim however you want it. Got your user manual, so they go over stuff showing you what you can do, different styles and so forth. So it's definitely a really nice kit. I mean, they go over everything. They say the ingredients and everything, that way you know it's not something questionable. Tells you different functions, how to use each thing, like the derma roller. So due to the nature of this product, I'm going to actually have to test this stuff out. So you guys are going to see me jump right to me after probably spending a week or two testing this out. And I will get back to you on my thoughts on everything. I could just show you everything and say, oh, it's a good because natural. But if I don't actually test it, you guys aren't going to know. So I'm going to test it out. I'll see you guys back in probably about a week or so. So let's show you guys the products individual up close. And my review is definitely coming, so stay tuned. So this is a 40 gram, 1.33 fluid ounce. It doesn't really have any smell at all. Beard conditioner. Beard oil. And the beard wash. Alright, so we are back. Let's see if I can hold this. I know the lighting is not the greatest here, but it's been a week of using everything, testing everything out. Obviously I don't have it in today just woke up, so going down through the motion. As you can see, my beard is not crazy long yet, but what I have noticed is the brush. This really helps make it look not like a mountain man, if you kind of get what I'm saying. It really helps the beard. The other products seem to be helping really well as well. I've noticed my beard getting darker as I use the products, so it makes it look nicer. And overall, you know, this just really helps a lot. I love the kit. I think it's a great kit. I don't see any issues with it yet. So with that being said, you know, I like it. I'm giving my first review after a little over a week, and for my week review, I can definitely say it gets at least a 7 out of 10. I would give, you know, probably probably 6 months update, unless I keep that score 7 out of 10. But overall, I still like it, you know, 7 out of 10, which would be probably about a 3.7 star out of 5. So there'll be a link in my video description if you're interested, but so far I'm happy with it. I just don't want to give a higher rating right now until I try it for at least 6 months. So we'll see. See you guys in a bit.